Hey everyone, today we're making a classic "Hello, my name is" name tag, but we're making it smart. Instead of editing text manually every time, we're building an attribute block so you can just double-click and type. In 2026, this is the fastest way to handle multiple tags for a project. Let's build it. Step 1. Draw the name tag base. First, let's draw the frame. Use the REC command to draw the tag. A standard size is about 3.5 by 2 inches. Add a solid red hatch at the top and type the static text "Hello" and "My name is" using regular M text. Leave the middle section empty. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. Create the name attribute, ATTDF. Now let's add the fillable field. Type ATTDF and hit enter. Tag, type name_field. No spaces allowed here. Prompt, type "What is the name?" This is what you'll see when you insert the block. Default, type enter name so you don't leave it blank by accident. Set your justification to middle center so the name stays perfectly centered in the tag. Step 3. Define the block. Now we turn the drawing into a reusable tool. Type B and hit enter. Name it smart_name tag. Click Pick Point and select the top left corner as your handle. Then click Select Objects and highlight the rectangle, the static text, and your name field tag, and hit enter. And then click OK. Step 4. Insert and fill. Time to test it. Type I for insert and bring in your new smart_name tag block. As soon as you click to place it, a window pops up asking, "What is the name?" Type in any name like John Doe and hit OK. The name appears instantly, perfectly formatted. Step 5. Quick editing. Need to change the name? Don't explode it. Just double-click the block. The Enhanced Attribute Editor opens. Type the new name and hit OK, and you're done. You can copy this tag 50 times and change every name in seconds without ever touching a text tool. And that's your professional, fillable name tag ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.